Right. Sandeep, how much excitement do you see now Vodafone Idea could see because of this buzz that Google may pick up 5% stake in Vodafone Idea? I mean, if I put two and two together, looks like a buzz because frankly, Google may not get anything big by picking 5% stake in a telecom company in India which has a lot of debt. But if the buzz is to be believed, do you think this could cause big excitement for Vodafone Idea and for Grasim and other Aditya Birla group of stocks which have suffered because of this telecom overhang?
So at the margin, it's a positive news, and especially coming at a time when the overall telecom industry seems to be on the mend. So although the amount involved will be so small that it will hardly have any impact on the overall debt of the company. But if this comes through, it could be for Google, it will be a very, very small amount, and it will be just a matter of getting some foothold into a segment where they have not been there, especially in India, and try to see whether they could potentially, I think, sell some of their products through this network. I think that will be the bigger interest rather than owning some telecom operator. So I think at the margin, it's positive. Overall, telecom sector is the only one which has positivity today. Otherwise, and despite whatever various managements are seeing on some sort of demand uptick and all, overall demand conditions continue to be very muted. So I would think incrementally it's positive. It could have some positive impact on the stock price, which as it is a bit out of shape. So I wouldn't write off the news if the actual investment comes through. I think incrementally it will have a positive impact.
When we spoke last, your market outlook was quite different from what the underlying price action has been. Is the price action forcing you to think again, or you still are reluctant to commit capital or money to equities?
Yeah, so price action has been a few hundred points. So and that's largely been, in my view, a track of what happened globally, because globally the markets went up so much. Like if you see the US markets, the Nasdaq recovered all its fall for which it did in February and March and went back to those levels. Many other Asian markets recovered substantially, and India was not recovering. So I think it's just a catch-up kind of trade. The real impact on the Indian economy is much more severe than for any other economy. And when I see many of the managements actually come on TV and say that we are seeing decent recovery, etc., it makes me wonder then if the recovery had to happen in this manner, then why were all these industrialists asking for fiscal stimulus, and why are they still asking for a fiscal stimulus? Fact of the matter is that economy is in a deep stress, and in my view, the market, even at this point of time, do not correctly reflect that distress. Now, if the distress is lesser and the economy actually recovers faster, I'll be very happy and be happy to invest or commit more, maybe 6 to 8 weeks down the line.